guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and thank you guys for visiting my channel today. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment on this video, share this video with your friends. I always forget my little intro that I have with the video. So today, pretty much what I'm going to do is, I do have, this is from my rainbow haul. I forgot I even had this, these clothes in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out of the bag, and these are actually going to be the ones that are going to be hung at this time. So I will take them out the bag and give you guys a full show of what the pieces look like. I am in my glam room in the process of like reorganizing some things here, so it may look a little, you know, shabby right now, but it's all good. It's just part of the glam life. Anyway, so let me go ahead and get right into this video. So the first thing that I have in this video is, I think I showed these already, but I'm going to go ahead and pull these out so you guys can see what it actually looks like. This is a jumper. Now, I think I showed this in another video, but this is a denim jumper. But the only thing with this jumper is I ordered this jumper in, what size did I order this in? You guys already know about my weight loss journey. So basically I'm buying some sizes that may be a little smaller than my actual size. This one was in a size, I want to say this was an extra large. I don't know why I wouldn't buy it in an extra large, even though it stretches. I'm pretty sure this is not going to fit me right now. But anyway, it is a denim jumper. And again, I am on a weight loss journey, so it's not going to fit right now. So hopefully, probably within the next, I don't know, I'm fasting right now. So y'all know how it is when you try to lose some weight and how it goes. But this is one of the items that I bought here, so I'm going to go ahead and start hanging these up. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out the bag because I have so many pieces that I still have in bags that I want to do the videos on, so I can kind of show them how they look out the bag. The second piece I have, this one was actually a cuff jogger, and I like this cargo cuff jogger because even though it's of a linen material, it doesn't have much stretch to it, but it is a little airy. So I do believe that this is, what size is this? I don't know why I can't see. Okay, so this is an extra large, and it does have the drawstring on it as well. I know that I probably won't be able to fit this right now as well, but probably by the ends of, I want to say maybe September. I do have a few more pounds I need to lose. I know it's kind of weird, but I can kind of determine how and what sizes I can fit based off of my weight size. That's just how my body's proportioned. But anyway, the third piece I have is the same concept, but this is, you know what? No, it's not. I actually forgot I even bought this. This is a large. This is a halter top jumper, and it's also the cargo with the rubber at the bottom, and it's like, this is like a linen type material. I actually should have bought this in an extra large. I don't know why I bought this in a large, but one thing I have learned about rainbow clothing is always go a size up, because for some reason their clothing is made small, except for when it starts to get into like the 1X's and 2X's. Those are like a lot of material, and you definitely don't want to look like you're wearing a big balloon when you buy your garments, your pieces. This is also a halter. I think I've even had these. This is also a jumper. This is a leopard print jumper. And one thing I did like about this at the bottom, now I remember, it has the little tie at the bottom. So this can actually be worn with a nice heel to it. and it is a halter top. Now I did buy this in an extra large, but because of the material, I'm almost certain that I won't be able to wear it right now. I am going to try this on because I really think that I might be able to fit this now. And if I can, I'll definitely be wearing this soon because it's uber cute. I love the way how it comes in the front, and I will take some pictures of some of the pieces that I can fit right now, and just probably do like a quick haul with the pieces that I'm wearing right now. And a lot of these pieces that I do purchase, they're like timeless pieces, so it's not something that you can wear, you can't wear this year, you can't wear, I mean, you can wear this year, but you can't wear like a year down the line. These are pieces that can be paired up with pretty much any type of outfit. That outfit that I just showed you, that denim, that sorry, the leopard jumper, I just see myself wearing that 2 years from now with a blazer. So it's definitely something that you can wear in the future as well. This is denim bodysuit, and I tried this on, and although it is a size, it's a large, this one actually did fit, so I kind of like the fit to it. It does have a stretch to it as well. It unzips in the back, which makes it very, very convenient. Doesn't go all the way down, but it does have the snap in the middle, as you can see, as per all jumpers. So this is pretty much it for this. You guys will see the full, and it has the cuff bra up at the top, which fits very well. My girls just sit in there, very, very cute. So I'm looking forward to wearing that. This is actually a pretty big haul. I forgot I had all this stuff. Oh, this is some more joggers. This is a black. Now, this is why did I get a small? I don't know. I think they sent me the wrong size for this. I don't know why they would send me a small for this. This is the wrong size. Like, I think I might end up giving this away. Like, I would never wear a small. This is funny. Maybe I should have looked more at this, but this is a small. I don't know why they would send. I would never order a small. So this is definitely one that I'm just gonna probably put on eBay, or I might just give it to like my niece or something. But it is cute, and this is kind of short. I don't even think she might be able to wear this, but wow, I didn't even realize that. So that's a dud. Okay, Rainbow, get it together. That's the first garment that I've ever bought from a place that I can say I want to send it back, but I'm just gonna give it away. It's cool. I think I only spent like maybe $6 for it. So this is another jogger, and I'm trying to see if it has a stretch to it. No, it don't. So this is a jogger. What size is this? This is an extra large as well. And funny enough, it says it stretches. It does have a stretch to it, as you can see. This thing doesn't look like a stretch though, unless it has an imaginary stretcher. They're talking about the top of it stretching, because that's not going to stretch that far. So this doesn't even look like a extra large, but I guess if they say so, we'll rock with it. And that's actually super cute. I can see myself maybe wearing this during the winter time as well. And this one is another jogger. This is actually an extra large. Now this one actually, let me see. This actually has a stretch to it, so I can wear this now, I believe. And as an extra, I'm trying to figure out why Rainbow's extra large clothing is looking like it's a dang on medium almost. This doesn't have much stretch to it at all. I mean, it stretches, but it doesn't look like an extra large. It's just, I don't know. That's weird that they would say that that's an extra large. But I'm just going to go through a lot of these joggers. As you guys know, I am opening an SD shop as well as a Shopify shop, as well as I have my own store, Here to Slay, which is spelled HERETOSLAY, heretoslay.com. That is coming soon. I'm hoping, I don't know, I merge hoping and opening together. Why did I do that? Anyway, I'm hoping to get it launched, Here to Slay, launched by the end of this year. My SD shop should be opening soon. If you guys see this video and it's already open, I'm definitely going to post the link at the bottom, so you guys will see that as well. Now the Shopify, I'm still working out the details for Shopify, only because of the price points for Shopify. If anybody have any advice or anything that they might want to give me as far as opening up a Shopify, feel free to email me at my email address below, because I definitely need some tips on Shopify. SD is pretty much plug and play, if that makes any sense. So I'm pretty much familiar with how to set up the SD Shopify. I'm pretty sure it's real easy, but my thing is the pricing points, and how to make money, and etc., etc. But anyway, that's pretty much it of this haul. They have something else. Oh, you know what? I think I told you guys this before. I didn't take it out the bag before, but they sent me a free shaver, so that was cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I have another video coming I'm gonna do today as well. I have some pieces that I need to go ahead and get those out of the bag as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like this video. If you like this video, thumbs up, comment. Let me know if it's anything that you want me to do a haul on. I am going to start posting the OOTDs, and also more hair videos. I know you guys haven't seen any videos with me really glammed up or anything, but just trying to get everything together. I have so much on my plate, but and also some nail videos. I'm going to post those. What else did I want to say? That's pretty much it for right now. I'm gonna go ahead. I have a small haul that I had from Chick Me. I did talk about some of the pieces that I got from there, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got from Chick Me. I'll give you guys the tea on that, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.